Thank you, Chanda ji, for this honor. Thank you, Naveen Saab. Thank you, Anand Saab. Thank you, the Minister Saab, who's not here, Mr. Taude, and all of you, because to be really honest, before I knew it, the reason that my stardom became what it became was not just for that I was highly talented or I got some hit films. What started being told to me was that internationally, all the people from the subcontinent, specifically the Indians, of course, the NRIs, as we are called, are the ones responsible because my films do very well there. So first of all, I would like to thank every NRI. There's a book by Douglas Adams which says The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which has a character in it, Beeblebrox, who is immortal and wants to go alphabetically and talk to each person on Earth. Me, similarly, would like to go and thank every NRI alphabetically around the world for making me the star I am. So let me start first, begin by all of you who are gathered here, and not just as NRIs, but great achievers. It is one of the greatest moments of my life. When I was younger, I would go down to America, to England, to Southeast Asian countries, and wherever I went, there always was some business head, there was some kind of a job being done, a service being provided, somewhere, someplace, in a huge manner by an Indian. And one felt extremely proud, one felt extremely international. So I thank you on behalf of India for taking the name of the country so far and wide and making us truly global. अलग-अलग देशों में जो बसे हुए हैं, I think somewhere शुरुआत ऐसी होती है कि अपने देश को मिस करते हैं और the kind of business they have created not only for themselves but for Indian films. I think I'm just very genuinely very lucky to have been born in the time when Indians are doing the best internationally, and that's why perhaps Hindi film industry, the South Indian film industry, the regional languages films, all of them are doing so well internationally. So I think we really need to thank our NRI. So I'm just very thankful to all the Indians who are doing so well, and I wish them all the best in education and business and services that they're doing for years, and hope on that they keep on doing like this. I don't know, yaar. I think the kind of cinema I participated in, जैसी फिल्में मैंने की हैं, शायद उनकी अपील थोड़ी और इंटरनेशनल है. इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि हमारी एजी हैं, but romantic films हैं. I think जो emotional content रहा है. So yeah, so many places, yeah, like Spain, Germany, France, Southeast Asia, Russia, Egypt, Morocco, so many places, Sweden, Norway, South America. I know sometimes I get surprised कि हमारी फिल्में जो वहाँ पहुँच गई हैं. But it's a good thing. Plus, I think it's wonderful that you have so many beautiful film directors who are making cinema, जिसकी भाषा शायद लोगों को समझ में नहीं आए, which we call the the non-regular territories. एक तो regular हैं जो NRIs हमारे हैं जहाँ पे, but I think these are non-traditional territories. Poland, जहाँ Italy, जहाँ हमारी फिल्में अच्छी कर रही हैं. So it's good times for Indian films, and I feel happy that I happen to be part of lots of them. I got fortunate enough to be part of lots of them.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.